I kind of feel like everybody's on this professional quest to streamline and make things as efficient as possible. And this Office Manager team has basically built a tool to allow us to be able to streamline our files and hopefully conquer that quest. We've really enjoyed having Lindsay in this program, so let's welcome Lindsay Delana to the stage.
It's 3 p.m. Do you know where your files are? Because we do. We are Office Manager, and we want to change the way you handle your files, or the way your files handle you. Office Manager is a desktop app that will let you work more efficiently so you can focus on the tasks that matter, sorting and finding the files that you need, and not the ones you don't. 95% of security breaches are due to human error. Why does this happen? Well, we're all multitasking now. We have too many tools, and we're constantly switching from one to the other. This shift in focus is called context switching, and it's one of the biggest causes of human error. It's also a very expensive problem to have. These security breaches will occur at an average cost of $3.6 million per instance. Can your company afford that? Just because someone misplaced a file or shared with the wrong person? I know mine can't. Office Manager knows where your files are and where they should go before you do. So it eliminates the small decisions that can interrupt your train of thought, leading to that human error. And this will ultimately protect your company and reduce your risk. So you're not getting that little $3.6 million prize. Let me show you how it works.
Office Manager uses an advanced machine learning algorithm to learn from your behavior and the files you've already sorted to automatically sort your files for you. Additionally, Office Manager organizes your files into relevant subfolders based on the type of file, the text within the document, and your historic behavior, learning how you prefer to organize your files over time. Simply drag and drop a file into the Office Manager desktop app. Then, Office Manager will give you its top recommendations for folders where the file should be stored. Select the best recommendation for the file, then sit back and relax while Office Manager files it away for you.
So how does Office Manager fit into enterprise organizations? Well, with more digital files being created every day by hundreds of employees, and teams using different applications to host all those files, there is an ever-growing need to unite all of those systems and the data within. Data silos disconnect a company's data collection, making it difficult to know what data even exists and where it is. This boils down to three main problems: security risk, as we know, lost productivity, and untapped insights. Office Manager solves those problems by connecting you with all your files across all of your platforms. So now you're interacting with one interface. And using the machine learning algorithm, Office Manager can work the way you do, so you can stay focused on other things. We interviewed professionals, 30 or so professionals in businesses ranging in size from one-man shops to 60,000 employees. And we recognized an explicit need, the need to simplify the way users interact with their information. One of our interviewees said this: Office Manager will definitely save me time and frustration. 5 minutes when under a deadline are a very precious 5 minutes. And this is a problem that we can relate to on a personal level as well. Maybe you can too. In my customer success role, I would often hear of these kinds of struggles from my customers. And Ryan heard similar complaints from his prospects on sales. Not to mention just dealing with this personally every day, the sorting, organizing, trying to find files, and the annoying interruptions that come with that. Karan's knowledge of machine learning brought the three of us together to build the solution. And we've kept at it ever since. And we know we've really only been working on this for about 3 months now, but our passion for this project and our research has shown us that Citrix is in a position to solve this problem for businesses worldwide, to prove that Citrix is the leader in content collaboration. Thank you.